Here we have the Benchmade Saibu, it's number 486. This is made in CPM 20 CV steel and is known for these great little Cocobolo inlays and in the thumb stud. This is another Nakamura design, so you can see his kanji there and his name on it. This is a great little folder. It folds up nice and small. Has stainless steel hardware all around, deep carry pocket clip that is reversible, and it's got that great little thumb stud. Open it up. I love the detail that they did in both the pivot and in the screws. It's kind of a conical feel, and then the back has the heads on them. With the access lock, if you know anything about the access lock, it's one of the best locks on the market. Really strong, and once it's all fully broken in, it is fully ambidextrous for both one hand open and close. So that's the Benchmade Saibu number 486.